Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download for free Facebook Reels from the Facebook app. Very easy, very simple guys. Let's launch the Facebook first. Now you want to make sure that you're at your Reels story feed. Let's say for example we want to download this video over here. All we gotta do is to click on the arrow under the comments. Then we need to copy the link. We just copy the link on our clipboard. The second step is even easier. All I want you to do is to go on Google Chrome and look for this app over here. It's called SnapSave Download Facebook Reels. Okay, you click on snapsave.app, and when we are at the app, all we gotta do is simply to paste the link in the box, then click download. Usually the video process faster if there is not enough traffic. As you can see over here, we have different options, quality options to download the video from this app. This is how simple it is, guys, to download Facebook Reels. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more.